Yes, beta, we had discussed till, you see, this we have done. 20th we have done. Okay, we need to start from 21. In a Mendelian monohybrid cross between a pure tall plant, pure tall and pure dwarf. F1 plants were all tall, this we know. Self-pollinating them, F2 generation had tall and dwarf plants in the ratio 3:1. So this proves which law? Want to read the question? Read the question, take your time. Question number 21. Give me the answer to 21, then I'll solve it. Yes, beta? It is simple, bache. Monohybrid cross, tall and dwarf. F1 all will be tall. That means tall is the dominant character. We are self-pollinating them. Generation 3:1. So which law is being proved? See, such a simple question. We are getting confused here.
Ma'am, law of dominance.
Law of dominance? No. Till F1, of course, it's law of dominance till F1 generation because only one character is expressing itself. So if I take it up to F1 generation, no doubt, the dominant law is being expressed.
All of these.
Read it carefully.
Law of segregation.
Yes, it is law of segregation. Very good. If you remember, law of segregation says that a gamete can either carry a recessive allele or a dominant allele, but it cannot carry both recessive and dominant alleles at the same time. So here, up to F1, we said one character is expressing, one is not expressing. So law of dominance is being proved. Here, three are very clear that we are getting the dominant and recessive ratio 3:1. But beta, जो dominant है वो dominant है, जो recessive है वो recessive है. So what do we mean is कि either, what does this law say? If you remember, हमने पढ़ा है, a gamete will either have a recessive allele or it will have a dominant allele, but it cannot have both the alleles at the same time. So if you see जब meiosis होता है, when gametes are formed, then alleles they get segregated or they get separated. That is why we never get both the alleles on the same thing. Alleles get segregated. So that is why reason क्या रहता है? Either a gamete will have a recessive allele or it will have a dominant allele. Not possible that both. Normal usme. So law of segregation. Okay. Now let's try question number 22 and 23. Very good. If the question was up to F1 only, then of course law of dominance.
Ma'am, option C, one homozygous and one heterozygous.
Beta will take up both of them together, 22 and 23 together. Plan your answers for both of them there. Pictures, let me know once you're done with both the questions. We'll discuss the answers. Never ever think that so and so is not coming for the class. Because whenever you do give 40 minutes to a subject, just keep in mind one thing, you certainly gain something. That is for sure, beta.
Ma'am, done.
Should we discuss others as well?
Ma'am, done.
When two pea plants with violet flowers, unknown genotypes, we just know the phenotype, it is violet, we do not know the genotype beta. Their cross with the progeny consisted of 75% of plants with violet flowers and 25% with white flowers. Okay, fine. The genotype of the parent plants with violet flowers must be.
Ma'am, one homozygous and one heterozygous.
Anyone else? Any other answer? Give a thought again to your answer. I'm giving you a minute. Please read the question again. Others also, let me know the answer. Planning the answer? I'm still waiting.
Ma'am, C.
Is there anyone with a different answer with Che?
Ma'am, both heterozygous.
Both heterozygous. Another answer which comes up, and this is absolutely correct. Both heterozygous. Vichi, can you explain this? Very good. Always take a little time. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, both will be heterozygous, then we'll cross. Then we'll get 3 dominant and 1 recessive. Means 3 violet and 1 white flower.
Just say once again so that your friends can understand. What did you say? Though you're saying absolutely correct, just make it a little simple for them. Yes, beta, speak again.
Ma'am, when we'll take 2 heterozygous alleles, then when we'll cross it, then we'll get 75%, like 3 of them will be violet and 1 of them will be white flower. So it would be both heterozygous.
Excellent, beta. The ratio is going to come 3:1, no doubt. Perfectly correct.
Yes.
3:1 ratio we get with what? Heterozygous. So the correct option is B. Can we move on to the 23rd now? A monohybrid cross between two individual pea plants produced offsprings. Remember, we are talking about two individual pea plants. We do not know about the genotypes as of now. 50% of them with dominant trait and 50% of them with recessive trait. So what must be the genotype of the parents? Carefully, very carefully.
Option D.
Ma'am, D.
Absolutely correct. Very good. Excellent. It's option D. Another one with Snapdragon now. Let's plan the answer for 24th and 25. 25 will not take you time at all. I know that. Just 24th you need to read. Blood groups you people are able to answer quickly. But there are certain cases like hemophilia, Snapdragon, Drosophila. Do these parts nicely. You'll certainly have questions from them. Just read these questions very carefully. Huh? Let me know when both
Ma'am,
of them are
done.
done.
Ma'am, then.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Since you
done.
people are saying you've done, let's discuss the answers. 26. In Snapdragon, a cross between a red flower, okay, capital R, and small r, pink flower. If a cross is made between a pink flower plant and a white flower plant, the expected phenotypic ratio in the progeny will be. Yes.
1:1.
Ma'am,
Option
1.
1.
Ma'am, D.
Very B. One
Ma'am,
pink
D.
flower.
Ma'am, 1
Ma'am,
red
A.
flower, 2 pink flower, 1 white flower.
A is the correct answer. One pink flower and one white flower. I think one child gave me this answer. There were two options which came up, A and B. A is absolutely correct. Who gave this answer?
Ma'am, Sony.
Okay, Sony. Very good. Let's discuss what happens in Snapdragon. Why do we generally take up this case in biology, Snapdragon?
Ma'am, it's a incomplete
Incomplete
dominance.
dominance.
Yes, good. Very good. Okay, Soni, can we have the explanation from you, Bache?
Ma'am, if we'll make a cross between pink flower, then the genotype of pink flower would be capital R and small r. And genotype of white flower will be small r, small r. Then we'll cross it. Then the two pink flower we will get and two white flower we will get.
Two pink flowers and two white flowers. Okay, so the ratio comes to what? 1 is to
One
1.
1:1.
Yes, always make crosses, beta. Very good. When both father and mother have blood group, never hurry in these kind of questions. बना लिया करिए beta, cross it takes a minute. Okay. When both father and mother have blood group AB, they can have children of?
Blood group A, B, and
Blood group
AB.
A, B, and AB.
Okay. Absolutely correct. 100% correct. Both AB and AB. Let's plan our answers for 26th and 27th. 26th, again, it is simple, but it is tricky. So read the question carefully. 26th and 27th. Just read carefully. That's all you need to do.
Ma'am, done.
Just let's wait for a minute for others. Let me know, bachas, when you are also done.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, let us discuss. That's why I read the question slowly, slowly. So that if you people hurry. Yes. If the blood group of a child is A and his mother is B, Baby is A, mother is B. What is the genotype and phenotype of the mother and the father?
Ma'am, B.
One option coming up is B. Any other option?
Ma'am, B only.
B only. Please check out for C also once. Check out for both B
Ma'am,
and
she
C.
wrong because genotype is IAI for father. Then how blood group can be AB?
See, check out for this. Child is A, mother is B. Child is A, mother is B. So why this possibility is not there? Why not C? Give me the reason. Father could be A. See, the mother is B, but the child is A. So is it not possible that the father is this IAI? Mother and father. Anji Biche, making a cross, doing what? Tell me why this is not possible.
Ma'am, third one.
Yes, I'm asking the C option. Why C option is not possible?
Ma'am, genotype of father is IAI.
That means his blood
Then
group
blood
is,
group should be A.
the blood group should be A. Here the B is missing. Okay. So IAI is, obviously it is blood group A. So at times this gets confused. Which of the following pairs of character traits is a good example of polygenic inheritance? We just discussed polygenic inheritance in few questions.
Ma'am, A.
Perfect,
A,
Beta.
human height
Absolutely
and
correct.
skin color.
Yes, skin color. So whenever you come across these questions of polygenic inheritance, you've already done the answers. Select the statement which is not correct. Just do one question at a time. Just do 28 because it's going to take time for you. 28th question. Can I have one to one? Let's do it together first. In case of polygenic inheritance, a number of intermediate phenotypes appear between the two extreme traits.
True.
Yes, it is true. In human beings, height and skin color are polygenic traits.
True.
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 A polygenic character is controlled by multiple alleles.
False.
True.
What is this? True or false? Polygenic character is controlled by multiple alleles or only one allele.
Ma'am,
Purpose.
multiple.
Hmm? Okay, I'm waiting
Ma'am,
for others.
Multiple alleles.
multiple.
Yes, of course, it is multiple alleles. That means all of them are true. So what should be the correct option, beta? All of these. So when
Ma'am,
we
but
do
it is asking which is not
Ma'am,
correct.
question is missing.
which is not correct. Acha, all of these are not correct. So this one, which out of these is not correct?
Ma'am,
Of
all
course,
are
we are
true.
saying,
Ma'am, all are correct.
अच्छा, question समझो फिर से. Which of these is not correct? What about these three statements? I'm a little doubtful about the third statement because you gave me two answers. First two, you people were very confident. So let me discuss. Maybe there is a problem in the question pattern or the way they've asked the question or the answer may be wrong. That does not make any difference to us. For us, what is important is that the first 2 points were very clear to both of all of you. What was the first point? One of you read out very quickly.
In case of polygenic inheritance, a number of intermediate phenotypes appear between the two extreme traits.
Does this happen?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Next. Second statement read out, beta.
In human beings, height and skin color are polygenic traits.
This is true or this is false?
True.
Then next.
A polygenic character is controlled by multiple alleles.
Is this true?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
shouldn't
beta.
it
It is
be
false,
false
beta.
because a
No, it is
polygenic
not false,
character
beta.
is
No, cannot be false, beta. It's actually polygenic characters are controlled by multiple genes only. Because here many genes, they control a single character. So this is absolutely true. Don't get confused over here. This is absolutely fine. Polygenic character is controlled by multiple alleles. We do get intermediate types, no doubt. Height, weight, and skin color are also which traits? Okay, tell me. बेटा देखो थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन है सेंटेंस में अब मेरी बात बहुत ध्यान से सुनना आई विल बी रीडिंग आउट 2 sentences ठीक है यही कंफ्यूजन है यहाँ पे इट्स अ वेरी वेरी टिपिकल क्वेश्चन लिसन केयरफुली लेट मी टॉक अबाउट दिस सेंट कहाँ गया ये वाला यस इसमें तो कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं है हमारा फर्स्ट वाले में ठीक है लेट मी टॉक अबाउट दिस वन हाँ जी In case of polygenic inheritance, a number of intermediate phenotypes appear between two extreme traits. This you've already told me is true or false?
I'm true.
Yes.
True.
Second one, did we have any confusion in this? In human beings,
No,
height and skin color?
No, ma'am.
Polygenic character is controlled by multiple genes. Yes or no?
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I don't know why they have given not correct. It's absolutely correct. Many genes go for one character. So that is why I'm saying don't go for the exact answers. ये दिख रहा है बेटा second option या कुछ screen पे कुछ गड़बड़ आ रहा होगा ना? This I'll show you two at a time. I think there's some problem in my screen. Come to question number 30. A woman has a hemophilic son. By the time this will disappear, this window thing. A woman has a hemophilic son and two normal daughters. बेटा आप लोग का hemophiliia वाला question पिछली बार गलत हुआ था. So be very careful in this. Woman has hemophilic son, two normal daughters. Her genotype and of her husband, what this character would be. Take a minute, think properly, then give me. You got it wrong. You can draw the cross. That's absolutely okay.
Ma'am, option D.
Option B or D, what did you say, beta?
Ma'am, D.
Absolutely correct. Let's discuss it. Chalo, tell me how.
Ma'am, we simply cross both of them. Then we get a normal girl and a carrier girl, a normal boy and a carrier boy.
Okay. See, because we see that the two children are normal, beta. If you see daughters are normal, but the son is what? Hemophilic. So one thing is very clear. What is very clear? Mother is what?
Carrier.
Ma'am, carrier.
Very good. Very good. Mother is a carrier. See, the clue was very simply given. Although the daughters are normal, the son is hemophilic. So it very clearly shows that the woman is hemophilic. Absolutely correct. A gene showing the phenomenon of codominance shows that. Which of these options are correct? Tell me the answer. 31st.
Ma'am, option B.
Ma'am, option B.
B. Both of you say option B and option B is the correct answer. 32 is easy. Tell me the answer. 32 and 33 planned together. Let's discuss the answers for 32, 33.
Ma'am, option B.
I'm done.
Both of them together we'll discuss.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, we'll discuss with. Okay, bache. Tell me the answer to question number 32.
Ma'am, option B.
What is your answer?
Ma'am, B.
Sure. Both of you. Think again.
Ma'am, for 32, no?
Yes, I am asking about question number 32. Read the question carefully. What option did you say, both of you?
A.
A. Just now it was B. That's why I'm saying you people are getting
I
messed
said
up. Answer is not coming correct. Giving you another minute. Read the question carefully. I'm not getting the correct answer. Read the question carefully, beta. Okay, tell me. The genotype of a heterozygous man with A blood group would be? Come on, discuss with me very quickly. The genotype of a heterozygous man with A blood group, what will it be, beta?
A and I.
Very good. IAI, excellent. What about a homozygous man with A blood group?
IA.
Very good. Yeah, there is very nice. So there is no confusion here. Here we have a cross between a heterozygous man with A blood group and the woman is of which blood group? AB blood
AB.
group. Yes. So obviously the progenies are going to be, tell me.
AB.
AB.
And?
And B.
B.
Okay. Can we have the same question for homozygous?
Ma'am, A and AB.
Very good. A and AB. Okay. Now, which child with which blood group will indicate that the man is heterozygous?
B.
Excellent. Excellent. Very nice. See, you got it. How did you get it? Very nice. Absolutely correct, beta. B. So that's why I say don't hurry with your answers. अच्छे से plan कर लो cross. Parents with blood group A and AB cannot have a child with blood group what?
O.
O.
Excellent. This was easy. चलो इसको साथ साथ कर लेते हैं. Match the column. ABO blood group in humans. Let's do it together. The options are given for you here. Which one is correct?
Multiple elements.
Absolutely correct. So A1 is 5. Let me see which option will go correct. See over here only we got the correct answer. We need not go and check the other options at all. We got the first option correct, that is A5, but never leave it like this. Always check the second one as well. If you get the second, see here we had only one as the correct option for 5. So we need not check the other options. It saves time, but फिर भी second check कर लेते हैं. Okay, tell me flower color in snapdragon.
Incomplete dominance.
Incomplete dominance.
So obviously there's no confusion. This is absolutely the correct option. So we got the correct answer here only. However, अगर A4 होता बेटा तो फिर हम B भी check करते. Otherwise there is no need to check the rest of them. So don't start solving questions. First, when you get the first option, immediately check out for the options if you're very sure. Like here, you people are very sure that A ka answer is 5. It's multiple allelism. There is no other option which says A is 5. So don't waste your time. C is going to be your correct answer. However, if you come across A ka option 4, then check for B1. And once B is checked, and इनमें से एक final हो जाए, there is no need to check C and D. Just learn how to save time. यही trick करिएगा. Let's do question number 35. XO. Yes. Tell me. XO. Match.
Male grasshopper.
Okay. Any other options?
Ma'am, option B.
What is the option B?
Ma'am, A3, B4, C1, D2.
A is 3. It's male grasshopper. Why is it not a male bird? Tell me. Sex determination in birds. Can it be a male bird?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
It cannot be a